Hi, hello, namaste. My name is Abhishek Pathak. This is .NET OOPS Part 21. In this video, I'll cover some important interview questions on polymorphism. In last video, I covered the interview questions on method overloading, and in this video, I'll cover the interview questions on method overriding. Till now, I have recorded 20 videos, and those videos contains 93 interview questions. So if you guys is not have watched earlier videos, you can watch those videos to clarify your OOPS concept. So let's read out the first question. What is method overriding? So let's find out the question answer of this question. An override method provides a new implementation of a member that is inherited from a base class. The method that is overridden by an override declaration is known as the overridden base method. The overridden base method must have the same signature as the override method. What does it mean? It means that there should be a base class which will have one method, and that method will be declared as virtual, and same method will be overridden in child class. So we'll see the practical to understand it more. Second question, how to achieve method overriding. So how we can achieve the method overriding? The answer is we have to declare the method as virtual in base class, and child class in child class we have to declare the method as override. And let's do the practical to understand both question. So I'm using Visual Studio 2015. This is a console application, and let's create one class here. Add class. Let's give the name of class employee. So let's have public employee details. Okay, now suppose I have one method public virtual string get name. So this is the method, and I have declared this method as virtual. Now suppose I have one more class public class, and suppose this is super admin, and this is inheriting employee details. Now since I have declared this method as virtual, so I can use the override keyword to implement this. Okay, and here I can say suppose Abhishek. Okay, so this is override method in child class. So this is known as the method overriding. In this case, in base class we declare method as virtual, and in child class we declare the method as override. So we are overriding this method at runtime, and overriding is also known as there are three keywords like runtime, dynamic, late binding. Okay, so these three words are used for overriding also runtime, dynamic, and late binding. So this was the second how we can achieve the method overriding. First we have to declare the method as virtual in base class, and in child class we have to override that method. Okay, is it mandatory to implement virtual method of base class in child class? So it means since we have declared this method as virtual here, is it mandatory to implement or to override the method, the virtual method? Let's build the application. The shortcut to build the application is Control Shift B. So as you can see, build is succeeded, means it is not mandatory to implement the virtual method. The answer is no. Okay, so let's read out the another question. Can we override non-virtual method? So if we have public string get current day, so this is our method. Now let's return the current day now dot to day of week dot to string. So this will give me a current day, and let's use this. So let's uncomment it now. Shortcut is Control Shift B, and if I use this override keyword again, so as you can see, this get current day is not available here. It means we cannot override non-virtual method. The answer is again no. Can we use the virtual modifier with the static, abstract, private or override method? It means suppose I have one method public int get month. So, and let's declare this method as static. Can I use this virtual keyword with static keyword? Let's return the date time dot now dot month. Okay, so it's giving me error, and as you can see, if I mouse over on that, a static member employee this cannot be marked as override virtual or abstract. It means we cannot use the virtual keyword with static, abstract, private or override methods. The answer is again no. Can we use virtual for internal protected and protected internal? So suppose, so let's remove this. If I have one protected method here, protected string search employee, and now let's return something. So okay, so now I'm returning this word Namrita from here. Can I use the override keyword for this protected one? So okay, I haven't marked that method as virtual. Now again let's try with override keyword. Okay, so in when method is declared virtual, so we can use the when method is declared as protected, we can use the virtual keyword. Now if again let's create one more method, protected internal void save employee. So based on some parameter, let's say first name only, I want to save something. Okay, now can I use this method? So let me use the virtual keyword since I want to override this one. So override, okay, this is also available. So just now we saw that protected is also available, protected internal, last one is internal. So internal bool is valid. So string f name, string l name. If I wanna validate both, how I can validate? There is string is null or empty, and this is null or white space is better than is null or white empty. So f name or string is null or empty lm. So if any of these two fields are not valid, so let's return false, else return true. Okay, now if I want to override this method, will this method will be available? Oh, I didn't use the virtual keyword for that one. So internal virtual. Okay, and if I again use that override keyword, so this method is also available. Okay, so we can we use virtual for internal protected internal? The answer is yes, it will be. Okay, and we can have one more question. What are different names or terms used for overriding? So the answer is, first one is dynamic runtime and late binding. So sometime in interview it is asked what is dynamic polymorphism, runtime polymorphism, or late binding. So you can have answer of that question. Okay. So this is that's it from my video. I hope you like my video. So if you have any comment suggestion, please give me, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.